represent where design slopes meet existing ground surfaces automatically with daylight feature lines. In addition to improved stability and performance of feature lines in Civil 3D 2027, this tech preview helps to automate the creation of daylight lines and streamline overall grading workflows. You can generate daylight feature lines using grading criteria, no longer requiring you to create complex grading objects. You can refine results by selecting grading criteria, defining station ranges, specifying a side of the parent feature line, and assigning layers with names and styles. The resulting daylight lines behave like standard feature lines in Civil 3D and can be edited using familiar tools.